unless you're making up the stuff, right? So they say they're spending 100 million. The auditor says, fine. Show me specifically what the money did. We know the money got transferred to this account. Show me what it was spent on. There is not a record of how 100 million in money sent to this particular bank account. Again, it's called the Early Childhood Development Education Program. 100 million in 24-25. Not one document, not one record that tells you how the money was spent. The auditor says, fine, you can show me how the money was spent, but at least show me the bank statements. The auditor gets the bank statement. They go through the bank statements, and what is they see is that the money, there are transactions that are suspicious. For example, they see analysis of bank statements revealed it debit balance of 104 million and a credit balance of 104 million, whose sources and application could not be confirmed. They are seeing money being moved around. They see certain words that have no meaning to them. And so it just looks like someone is trying to essentially cook up what's happening with this bank account. At the end of the day, though, these are the conclusion of the auditor. The auditor says the account was not disclosed in the schedule of bank accounts. So think about what this is saying. This one bank account that is supposed to be used for, again, facilitating this program called Early Childhood Education, which has 100 million has gone through it for the year. We have not seen what the money was spent on because they don't exist. We get the bank statement, look at the bank statement, and we can see suspicious transactions. Now, the auditor is a little bit more suspicious and curious. So then they say, okay, so I want to see how these transactions and anything touching this account was accounted for. How does it show me how these amounts for this year, how they fit into the accounting system, into the county's profit and loss statement. They find out that nothing that went through this account actually shows up in the accounting records. So this 100 million does not show up anywhere as an expense on the county's financial statement. Think about that. 100 million of was supposed to be a government program.